everyone, in today's video I would like to share with you beautiful variegated yarns that Shannon, who is a member and viewer of my channel, recently sent me. So here they are, let's take a look. There are two brands here. One is Global Backyard and the other one is Expression Fiber Arts. So let's start with Global Backyard. There are two hanks of this beautiful variegated yarn in yellow, green, brown colors. The colorway is Fall Forest. Actually, what this yarn makes me think of is end of summer. Many of you know that originally I come from Ukraine, and from my childhood I remember the landscapes at the end of summer in August around the village of my grandparents. And those landscapes had lots of wheat fields, yellow ripe wheat ready to be harvested, but also some green and brown colors around it as well. So that's what this yarn makes me think about, and I will probably hold this yarn till summer, and maybe in August I will be inspired to crochet something with it. And here two more hanks of the same yarn but in a different colorway. This colorway is called Lime and Coconut. Very beautiful colors. This one seems a little bit darker than this one, but these are hand dyed yarns, so that's totally understandable. I don't really have any associations or anything I would think about looking at this yarn. It's very pretty, but I don't know, it doesn't remind me of anything, and at the moment I have no idea what I would crochet with it. And finally, from Global Backyard, there's also this set of mini hanks. There are 5 of them, and each one is, let's see, each one is 20 grams, so there is 100 grams in total. Very beautiful colors, green and yellow, but there's definitely more green than yellow. And there's a little umbrella. Oh, and a very cute stitch marker. So because this is only 100 grams, I can think of either a pair of socks made with this yarn or a beanie hat. And now let's take a look at the Expression Fiber Arts yarns. Here I have 2 hanks of 50% superwash merino wool and 50% lyocell. And the color is very beautiful. The colorway name is Lavender Tea. Very beautiful color. I love it. And I can see a lacy scarf, a very light, delicate lacy scarf worked with this yarn, and this is gonna be the first project that I'm gonna make out of all of these yarns. I can't wait to start making it. And the last 2 hanks from Expression Fiber Arts are 70% fine merino wool and 30% lyocell. Now these colors make me think of winter. If I were to name seasons for all of these yarns, this would be late summer, early summer, fall, spring, and winter. I'm going to number all of these yarns, and please let me know in the comments below what seasons you think about when looking at these yarns and what kind of projects you would make with these yarns. Dear Shannon, thank you so much for your generous gift of these gorgeous yarns, and I cannot wait to start crocheting with them.